How to change export settings in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project in DaVinci Resolve and go to the Deliver page, which is where you set up your project options. At the top left, you will see several export presets like YouTube, Vimeo, and more, along with the custom export option for full control. Next, start by setting your file name and choosing the location where you want to save your exported video. This is important to keep your files organized. Now, move on to the video tab. Here you can change the format, such as MP4 or a movie, and pick the codec like H.264 or ProRes depending on your quality needs. You can also adjust the resolution and frame rate to match your project or desired output. Other settings include quality, keyframes, and advanced options that let you fine-tune your export. After setting the video options, switch to the audio tab. You can select the audio codec, adjust the bit depth, and enable audio normalization if needed. These options ensure your audio matches your video quality and playback requirements. Finally, review all settings carefully before clicking Add to Render Queue, then hit Render All to export your project. And that's it. Now you know how to change export settings in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.